I let that beginning do it again. Yes, now. Fabulous. Hey. Rodanyash. Hooray! Hey. Bass. So let one more time for me. So let one more time. Who did that? Take it. We are say you can be a day with your own. Alaska no nia. Nazo ibi. Nazo. Eriode. What buy any here? Agbawane, atamu pepe no bome. Yena mi ebopia, elave mi eboko. Ewo yagbawane, atamu pepe me. Naina. Agbawane, atamu pepe no bome. Yena mi eboko, elave mi ebopia. Ewo yagbawane, atamu pepe me. Maria de Boguera, ita wa made fún ade mami o le bẹ̀rẹ̀ rumo dia. Agbawane o. E wo yi agbawane o, magele ri ari awe. Bena mi e wo pe a. Ere mi e wo wo. E wo yi agbawane. Atamu pepe. Wagia o.
Agbawane, atamu fefe no bome. Bena mi e wo wo. Eri ave mi e wo pe a.
Ewo ya agbawane, atamu fefe me. Na Dr. Alaska o. Dr. Alaska o. Atamu fefe on YouTube. Very cool music. We let the advice speaking we no one hear word. Speaking we no dey hear word. Egbon na pe ni if I boa.
Atamu fefe no bome.
Who go come man? I might bow on any. They are knowing you now. They are seeing you. I am the officer. I'm the officer. Yeah, what in your toy? Even one more say. On watching you. People will know safe na hear my old mama quiet. They'll bring and commands. But still, I be depression killer CEO. Yeah, we have a better than Wa ti wa be ro be gbo wa ba o won e ku emu wa. Inwinere amugwa ni yere amugwa ni. Wa ti ari le gbo wa gbin na wa. Fight yourself, drink bottle for here. Come take it go make light. Wa gbin na wa ko wa. Agbin na ri un lo wa gada. Gbo ubi. Sieto. Siekia, wa gbina.
Sena muyoto.
Atase.
Sena muyoto.
Na wa yo. Siekia. Wa gbo bi wa si wa fian e.
Ebi o kanu weka.
Wa gbina wa ko
Ebi o
wa.
kanu weka nu hiara.
Yere.
Ebi nu wa yo.
Tama.
Ebi nu wa yo.
Na wa we.
Umayi yere go tagewa. Ema soro yin agawe. Yin yo sanirare. Bueno to ge ye magbe. Emi ne mama uga tayo. Na me na ri wa yu bo.
Bere vie.
Na me na ri wi na no.
Bere, make na busu o. Na make na te wote.
Na me bi fi wi.
Ayi.
Ere ave mi abo wodo.
No be ole, you form my hand also.
Oh.
My bottle don't finish. Ogofo for your matter. The martini don't finish. We se din ane o. Wete.
Una gbeye gbelu ki akeka.
Okay, what's the kisona wasakbo? Oh, ije.
Ebi na ye gweno.
Amaja
ye fi. Uwete di ane o. Uwete di ane o fami na ne o adamu pepe. Ebi na maja ya ni kaka. Eye ya ga ni kolo. No maja ya ni kaka, ya ni kolo. Uta. Ugolo vi koka fire mi. Agbawana. Ewo ya agbawana. Atamu fefe na bo. Bena mi ewo pia. Eya mi ewo po.
Agboya agbawana.
Agi tu ase.
Agbawana. Atamu fefe na bo. Kiri laso.
Bena mi ewo po.
Don't be lasha.
Emi no mama u. Amara ke na ta yo gbe.
See disgrace.
O ya wo bebe. Na gbe mi ba mo.
Sushin. Mama listen, me mo nene o.
Adamu baba bebo. Ewo ya agbawana. Agbawana o. Ewo ya agbawana nuga pepo yo.
Ai.
Agbawana o. La nuga pepo yo.
Ume iye. Oh.
Agbawana. Ewo ya agbawana.
Atamu fefe na bo. Eni ti boss.
Na mi mo ku. Eri awe mi o.
Ela.
Ewo ya agbawana.
Ela.
Atamu fefe.
Ai.
Agbawana. Agbawana. Atamu fefe na bo.
Eish.
Na mi mo ku.
We are when we are. When we sang.
Egenete. Iguoteta atamupetu. Nagije na ogipari watu afe. Iya wa mi omego ne. No vengo yo ya total legae. Que na o mi que na ma mi agata le ya. Okay que ni ata won. Ewani anaria emaniwa. Ewani anarua no regede gipiero.
Oh. Via. Ogisi agbena wana guwe. Visa.
Adamu baba. Yerego sagewa.
Ma.
Yerego baba mo.
Mama.
Eminu mamia no nu wagele taye wa gbe o.
Mama.
Na me na rewa yupo.
Mama.
Na me na mu igonu wa.
Mama.
Eminu mamia o ngata gba mi o.
Mama.
Oh, eminu ma jaya yi ko kaya jaya yi golo.
Mama.
Iruga atabe kenuga yebuto.
Mama.
Uwe se di ana o na be tuwa o.
Mama.
Na ye ko ma jaya bi yo ate be. Yerego sanera giwa. Yerego sanera maga giwa.
Ash.
Adamu baba mo. Adamu baba mo.
Ide to me.
La wo wo nu wa ga temi na o ata. O atemi na o amata o ka wa ko ta do banero.
Set
Adamu
many.
baba na.
Oh, set it go.
O bo sa ni.
Oh, set it go.
Adamu baba ma.
Oh, set it go. Don't set it go, go, go.
Adamu baba.
Don't set it go. Oh, set it go.
Dawe eminu wa gbo ke amaguwa.
Omagiyane.
Dado ke gbo ke amaguwa.
Owo mi amagame.
Emini me gbo ke amaguwa.
Eni meku omagime. Eni tu omagame. Di heni ti elegbeme. Emi ni bwaga magame o. Ayi.
Eminu gbo ke
Tamu fefe. Rami Yezobo, Alaska no ga. Oga Sierra Menege. My father is late anyway. He was your good friend, your number one fan. So let's hear it. After all the nonsense and the nyama what we don't hear since. So that they see dirty matter like this, where person fit cover for social media. I have never really known. Same matter go dirty like this. People go say, let's cover it. It is my first time to hear this. And I'm shocked. When I hear loud, I was like, what? Is she really saying it? Or someone asked her to say it? Come on, girl. You posted a mature man, a man of Tibana caliber, a man of substance. Odogu akataka, mighty, small but mighty. Man, where you get money? Where you even money say go make you not disgrace her. You rubbish it. And you even sworn. You sworn. What were you wearing, Lord? For just, you see what come, what, you see what it, you see how Mate start new year. You see how Mate start new year. See how Mate end new year. I keep on telling you, Don't be by baby. Don't be by shouts. I will never lick a ass to belong. Never. Never. I remain originality. I be tete. If it there. Now me be me. Now me be me. I never lose value. Never. Rather, my value increase. Even when I don't expect it. What are you talking? When I'm more ladia. When I'm more ladia, Rudivi. Na la wo. Wow, huh? When be say something go happen to adult, real men, mature men, husband and wife, you will not even pardon them. Unyagia. Akbenu away. Akbobo. I never knew you can consider an issue like this. You shock me, girl. You feel not surprising. But you are not surprising me. Even Pastor, even they say, make them not let you bring out come out. They don't say you go even say make the cover and self. They will even say you go fair bring out come out. You go bring out come out. They don't even know say that you want even cover and say, make them, make sole. Where you know say for inside the division. It's like you have forgotten something. It's like compliment is making you forget. That is every foundation, every house, in every organization, there is a founder. There are leaders who lead it. But they don't talk too much. Only their pupils, those who they have trained, exaggerate their strength, they tap for their master. Come on, girl. What are you talking about? So, the kind of a sister you are to your own so-called low sister, the kind of sister you have to have, you is just to the support her in everything she do. Tell her she's not the baby. It's not a baby. It's not the baby. I not be small picking. Not be small picking. Like seriously? Like really? That is the kind of sister you are to her. I'm no. But on my mega, what one man know who you know back, who you know Zaga, you know Moria. No, here Gualec no let la Gualewaya no your budge, no to shake it, Ben or who. Oh, Guale, no Guale train of some speedy, they not let train track and no fear who. But I never knew you can cover up something like this. And as they see some of your followers, they say, she spoke well, she spoke well. Like, really? Is that the kind of supporter you are? When you are a motivational speaker, who the matter involved not concern you. What you have to offer, that is what matters. My brother fuck up, I'll treat her and fuck up. If I'm not using you to treat people fuck up, treat it fuck up, other people not go left for shit. That is why my whole family, everybody, they saw G. Even you are boring and even kagbe no better kagbe no be yan kagbe me. I ain't kagbe many problem, but they mind the way they do things. Because if their matter come out unnecessarily, I thought I go jump people, beat the hell out of here because you lose, you martial art, you lose guard. You brought yourself to the mess. I will not shut up my mouth for you, because when I shut up my mouth for you, I am not a speaker. I am not the voice or the voiceless. People can never learn from me. People will never learn from others. If we cover this mess up, how will your dear sister, your sheep sister, know she did something wrong? How will your sheep sister know what she did is wrong? Who will tell her? You will never tell her. Because she's supporting you just in everything you do, just the same way. It's like it's a promise between you. Yeah, I support you, supporting me. That is not the thing. It depends on what you are supporting me with. It depends on the kind of support we are giving to each other. That's why I keep telling every one of you on this social media, I don't got a friend among any of you. When you are good, you are good. When you fuck up, you fuck up. I'll tell you. If I tell you for telephone, call you like this, hello, division for division. Let you know, say you don't fuck up. If you get brain, go amend your mess. But if you can't so be stainless, we go tell you say you fuck up. You want to do break. I go use and tire you just as this one be so. If you keep running away from me, because I always tell her the truth, I always told her the truth. Nothing but the truth. I stood with her like a sister, but she keep running away from me. This are so-called sister, so-called motivational sister, una leader. Keep on telling her, stay away from stainless. Now stainless matter go kill you. Stainless go destroy you. Run from stainless. Did you listen to the conversation that another friend your sister chose? Don't even trust your guardianship sister. They put her on record and brought the ass out. You think I was a problem because you know you cannot tell her what I'm telling her. Because you know you cannot offer her what I'm offering her. She will come get sense now. The consent I say let's give her sense. We know such a murder bottle. If you murder the bottle, I swear down to Jesus Christ. Or murder the bottle, the salad of Bokuta. If I'm telling you like this boldly, me measure what the measure, where you will let it. One women like bo. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. Capital disgrace. I will not call you a disappointment because you are not disappointed. You didn't disappoint your parents. You have children. But you are a disgrace. Big one. Even if your sister decides to sit on top of the disgrace, it's your lineage. It's a generation disgrace. Ta! You should say, cover it up. Meaning a generation that who are more aya why who say was a badani who are two one. Na akpenu wa wo vie like this. If you mess up, if I do not do you, even Lovette, whether na Felice, because I'm not going to call that a bazen of a name. I will not call you that name because that name has something. The beginning of that name means something. I will call you Felice because you are a boy. You are not a man. You're not supposed to be bearing that name. You are a trash. Ta. Woman, if you give woman, man, if you give woman BP, na pekus. Felice, you be toto. You be pekus. Tell us you be toto. Toto get toto. One will not get water. Will not come or him. Felice, who will not come or him. You are not a man. Ufo. Man, where they feel poor woman to the status of say she go say she get BP because of uncircumcised cassava. Uncircumcised cassava where they carry waka. To a disgrace of a man. As for you, who were for? Do you know what is called totally useless? That is what you are. You are totally useless to yourself, to your children, to the people around you, to your loved ones, to those who trusted you, to those who try to bring you closer. You are totally useless to them. It is a shame that you are fighting for another woman's deck when you left the one you have 3 for no fucking goddamn reason. For this same shit, for this same nonsense. In your way, gonna yak babo water. Una se kialu ya biome ha. Una ya gbina yogere. U pass keni wak bogo you on. If you near me like this, I'll bust bottle for your head. I'll bust bottle for your head if you I swear down to Jesus Christ. Wa was keni wak bogo you on. Or two I think when you total egbewe, and not be your family. Your family fit sit down top because they wa jevuni ikata onu wa wakun bewo. But for me, I cannot take it. Suppose you near me like this, you walk bogo, you walk whatever they call. Maybe in most hospital, I send it last, you go receive sense. For people like you, will be that woman made mistake or slap you begin when our way. No keka valor no truth and silence. Your Maria Wanue. Or Maria Wana when I go at the beginning of 2021 here and one. Can you imagine yourself? How would your children feel when they hear the kind of happy new year? What their mother start their new year with? Oh yeah. Ash. He pay me for you. Something drop me for my purpose for your matter. Oh, you tell her. Ana kan mo kan le this ana we ne wale la ogun yen na if can you just listen to yourself when you talking sometimes? Can you just listen to yourself when you talking sometimes because you need a sheep pity? You need a shitty party. You want them to give you shitty party where you say it had nothing to add to your life. It had nothing to give to you. It had nothing, absolutely nothing to change your life with. We are looking for shitty party. You try to make the story sweet. You try to make the story look like, oh, I feel pity for her. You try to make the story like, I swear down. I be told say your matter. The other day you call me, shout, use my. Did I answer you? I did not answer you. But you see on this one, I was expecting your sister would say she would do something about it. But when she said, well, why get lads and let's cover it up, you guys kick my ass. Because what I'm your my way. Now go make sure say, on one year be wa le. Or your reversion, if you hear what you talk, you go they cry. You see this media keep on telling her where this is. Where we say, I don't want anybody to say less is my favorite. No, I cannot be your favorite. Oh, I cannot. You know why? I might do what you like today. Tomorrow, I will do shit. Then you can say, you break my heart. You disappointed me. I never expected this from you. I just took you as my favorite. I was your top fan. I was your superstar. Nah, don't rely on me. Because you don't know what I do behind my shit. You don't know what I do behind my camera. After I end this video now, you don't know the next thing I'm going to do. You don't know the next character where I want to perform. The kind of life where I want to live behind the camera. Whether I want to go to laugh myself or whether I want to go to call my mumu. Whether I want to go to say I don't catch them. You don't know how it's going to happen. Don't make me your favorite. I know if it please you. A lot of people will pretend they will do everything within their power to please you because they know what they want from you. I don't lick an ass to be me. If you era me no pelo ya ekpitama me. You know ya me lele dioma ye kia tama we na. Mebe kam wagi me we kia me ba be u. Mebe wogare na ya mi ekwe. Amamu me wo. Otto said the way the woman called ya take me can't take me like say I be picking. You can fuck sometimes with mistake. You fuck somebody with mistake. When you remember last night, the person you can't do good, you go come too good to you. You just see normal maturity. You flow up. I like the mama so mama see you. Years ago like this something so, but based on the way you take me, you too good for me. My conscience, if I see you, my conscience not the, you know, the clear. I also may clear you my mind. She was like, I think I got my damn or damn but you may expect it. It died there. Then I don't boo it. I'm a buona joama bange kiere. When I have your meha, no way up your mama, moon yak bed, or Wamunu bed, no be able to tell. It's a shame on your side, baby. It's a shame on your side. Uwura wadzo. Do megaro wadzo mama ku we working we be haji. Ama wa ya zago gere. Wana gwe mata na ukpe no so togo. Kosi mo no sunu ye niwe. Kosu pagmanda sunu ye niwe tete le lo mahia. Mani sunu ye niwe. Eti wa vio hia ga ene ya. Wa be de yeti na ukpe yeti mu po ni edan. Wana tani. Gia ho wa tene no ene gbe ba bombo clat. Igo me kono ku wo eba. We are cool. I will you walk by day, la walking and walking, and we women work be. You only a what you call not a second wife. We are cool. Will you accept it? Will you take it? And don't worry, I am boying na bona. Don't just say because you want to say. My father says it's better not to talk than to talk rubbish. All of now one belong by force. Now one belong by force. I will never take a shit compliment. When a compliment is given to me, it's real. Am I going to like him? But for me, I will keep on standing for what I stand with for day one. And I will never change it for anybody. Say let the smoke it go, say let the smoke it go. Any member si say, me member si work bona. avec boligi avec boligi c'est moi be awane ou bi ari juze if you avoka e moya even a fool grow old a mugu grow old osunde grow old ojulo they grow old ojofoto they grow old almost what they grow old not be by age not be by age at all not be by age. I beg this girl, change this old thing. Change this old thing. Well, you will not be a mamuye. Because she knows say, oh, can me say less again, ya when I say less, I can make on a magba. And I exhaust it away. No, where's the way now? The moment when a banner will say less is a betrayer. One more thing, and where joke by one and but if you pay me well, you pay me. Ash. Ama egbe me ba me kiade. So lo ba geve sunu. O so lo ba geve sunu. E kia ni fie. Ifie. I go castigate that idiot alive. I swear down. Hey, my men no who. Except, if you are too, where you get good heart, baby, you don't have a good heart. You have a dirty personality. You have that thing that trigger you whenever you hear people with their big name. You know what I the record too much. Abungbe. What I wanna water because I want any worry yane. No, you know what I any yane. Wa lene. Review kai. I want any area Facebook. When you worry yane, you are not even doing anything. You knew your name have been condemned or spoiled, or however you say it. You are not even doing anything to even make it a little bit better. Rather, you are damaging, you are causing more damage upon yourself. Oh, you say spiritual husband. If you're going to tell me, we are mere bow, we are le. If you we are mere bow, we are le. One mere bow. Oh, I want no my body abo. No my body abo, bogo wokao. No my body abo. No my body abo, bogo woka. Era me we no my body abo. Jeme. Era me we no my body abo, bogo wokao. No my body abo. We are mere bow, we are le. Ebo no matom. Oma pe me enu. Oma re ori santota ye kokpa. Unwina. No kete nwina. Era no bi ogwo nu ke nwina. Moto bi na we no we verio. Ina we vie no seme. Nu we ke wa nwina na. We are be usebo we Nigeria. Why be usebo? I want moto pa ni ate wade ni wa ya gbe foundation yo ye mede gbe. If you need something, people will not tell you the truth. Because they're always using you for their dirty job. You keep on fighting fight that is not yours. We not wanna have one gbe seleke. Okpe you we no be gbo e bai. Okpe you we ojo ama. Uwa koe ubona kuna ko oswa gbepo una die jenu na do gbe 1 week ko kbiere we ne mona se ke we oswa umaya wo no yiya na via no for 1 weekend. We no very holiday ugwi na swe no na inwi na se no na ya mi biekani inwi na no uwa very holiday you didn't even beg for 1 weekend for those children. Rather una mukba na mugo kbiere obe boy. Ana ho ana gbo e ba na disgrace you. Una igaso. Oh Jesus. No. Uwona gbo seme. Uwona gbo tene. Ona keke gbebe ho. O tu na we na gwe. but ana me ga de nya me akai ati wa gwe bele de no gbe kan ma be ba ko gbe ere to wa gbe na ya de gbe salola dia a de gbe akpe adenya me akai na sinye me na o ma na ga sinye me na uwo mere go na me o we precious na gi makpa yen gbe e ba na ya gbe nyogo na dia. She's not straightforward. If you don't even know what you want, maybe here I'm doing my best. I am doing my best. I may not for now. Nobody is perfect, but me, I am doing my best. I know the fight I fought for 3 years to get my daughter back. This one I got me today with not be papa. No, say your children when you used to total born go there with dick, you go to fight for another dick. What a shame is that? And when you a beer, in a breaker, you are been a kiave, only a one is son. Even a butter. Eri me agreement on get ya you get on get boya ya as an officer. We tell you I go get body la mo we gbe ni mu ya ade na to la mo we gbe. Because why? I sabi myself. Amodiama ina if you modiama no amu kiakia. Na wo jo bo no go we sok no go we seto mata na ya fe. That be boyfriend me na me ga bia ruo we me be gwana. Wa go mo ni be la gwana me ga be mio. Wa ga be setting. Wale ma no seti mu ye we enu bia ya mu yo gian bag we she go dey look for people wey get name wey should dey use money take the ties small money we say they get for work wey you take the ties wa wale ma no azi go no make na as I do for you rich with my good heart with my soft heart with my enemy heart ati wani mu rogun e ke moroko you we no zo ni a cultivate every year ni agbalo e mure we kigma yo you are too sheep girl sheep igbe ana we are mo wa mu no mede agba kan ya lele we are ma hinyo gbe ti nyo gbe ke po akan ya mu ne abazenu ne ya ma ti alela ro eva agi we gbo keke before ijo me ha no was mona muwe no netwa muwe de no pa ete no pa wa fijo no pa we se ogwega wo kan wo gwa kalo e ijo me ha ash otwo yeta wo kan agbeyo me go to enya e mo pa ti to enya vie she knows mo pa ti to enya vie yes a 20 years so all the quiet all the unwa go take a few seconds go she tell Asami she knows ona leme here that's why she dey run for me they go she feel say na me be she feel say na me be a problem she feel say na me be a problem I know say this one I go say yes. Nobody is perfect. It don't happen. Everything don't happen like this. Very soon now does he forget. If you're not taken, all of them go they call on. If you're not merciless, not taken. It don't happen now. Before 1 week now, your matter don't come up for board. Another one go enter. Not be used that time. Not be lele. More na the type. What? I know say more. I not sympathize with her. More if we yeah, 20 atmosphere for mafia. But last we'll still make sense together. But she not the listing. Oh, what me go bona boyari? O vele lo bona. Oh, me go diano. O le lo bona. She don't even have direction. She want to be everywhere. She want to do everything you are doing. She wants to be everything. She wants to be part of everything. When you have a vital, oh Jesus, a vital something to deal with. Why am I a spiritual husband? Because I'm a patient on the Facebook. Eba we are here. Where you want? What are you for? Budget, me. We are going to vote enemy. Vonene ni gwale nene se vonene agwe metone batone iketone keda vonene mi na hi o ije bori eyo we hu amu zobo ye kuje Joshua ave kon kono royalize ave asikpi go bizobo no royal ni wanso 3 days zobo ya re ni wanso ri zobo ogbazo ame waro go do flush ekwa we ye hu wo ye te spiritual husband. Oh, you take spiritual husband. Amunwa we ya da ogwiawa. Oh, we can't be. Esusu gude doriyo. Oh, when I take spiritual husband. Wa file mi ku weze, ya hangi weze. In me mommy water take Oh, when I take spiritual husband. Girl, go and fix up your life. Oh. Your sister where they tell you say you not be smart speaking, I mock me to this level where I did so. She pushed me. I was pushed. With that thing you call the sister where they support you. I was pushed. What they say pushed. She with her ex-friend. In your swami. You're not swami. To this extent where they say, I swear to myself, say, for me to give up for these two things, I will change my name. I don't give up. Last. They're not better pass me, I'm not better pass them. Last, they're not better pass me, I'm not better pass them. Who they know not concern me, who know they not be my business. Now what I know, now who know me, I can't. Yes. If you go and fix up your life. Stop all this, I give you my life, I don't move on. Not pare, you don't move on. Not pare, you don't move on. But where you drive, you say, nah. What is your kilometer? Where you don't drive, reach? Look at move. Where you don't drive, reach? Then where you drive is now. Where you drive is now. You now move on. I pity you, Sha. I pity you, Sha. When a woman said they move on, I don't know what you mean. I don't think you know the meaning of that word you are using. When they move on, they never turn back. When they move on, they make a map, they make a decision, they set a goal. And they will never turn back until they accomplish their goals and their ambitions. That is the woman who have determination, the determination of moving on. You keep using that word, but you don't know the meaning. You keep using that word, but you don't know how they tell they do it, and you don't want to ask. Even if you ask, they tell you, you don't want to use it. I don't move on. Look at time, I want to 216. You move, you never go anywhere. I feel pity. I feel pity for you. Oh, we're going to because you think you know what you are doing. La remember me therapist, the therapist we will now. On the therapist will be said that they come meet you for us. You follow them, the shots. They talk nonsense where they or they come and they let them know this shit will be your problem, that they help. They go and fix your life up. You got a lot of mess dancing around in your skull. You just try to pretend to do things to cover it up. How can you, if you are not unstable in your brain, if you are not mentally unstable, how can you be thinking? You will just come a few months ago here. Man say one carry you go Nigeria, go pay bride price, go marry you. Where were the guy don't they say house we want to go marry wife? Jesus. That's why your brain low rich. That's why your brain you're low rich. Any man can you come to your heart, do you come your head, do you dance and rest for your head, or you waka come out. Just like that. And you know they ever they grow, you know they ever they pick from it. Oh boom. Yan wa tie we before. Yan wa asoye kia na. Yan wa asoye kia na. Ave shi fi afefe lo refo ne ya afefe hu ya me ni capisho. Yan wa va nwe kwa. Wa vie nwe kwa. Wa same ya kwa. Oh no. Otwe when I go away. When she knows the right thing to do for you. She knows the right thing to do for you. And this country she don't pass stress. She see how they take help her. She don't pass through stress. You mean the stress in there? Okay, we move over there. She know how to take help her. She know what you need as help, but she will never tell you. Because why? You are not willing to learn. Or not was any nagi guayo. You was say why? Because you don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. Now we yak maneko. Now we mweko what viena. I want a condom bust. Wa va me le yo me gbe da we. But why de wa kama me na? What wa la me dia wa de yo me gbe e Monica imi do kwa mi o de jin ya gbe u to bag no money u lele u mi agijo mo u mo kwa baru vai u seg no mi agijo mo ki ije boyo ka bo wa be dame yeah now you don't come mama boy I don't need to call you ane shi boy wa he me shife erika ni wa yana mo me palace nyahu akegwa agere palace pa wa no ave shifina ave samagwan na me bi gba de shifi o wa ya ha ye boy o ga no bazen nu ti lutu otu ogwe agbotu we tu bazen otu ogwe I feel pity in fact I wept for you why wa me mani meni when me gbuwa all of una want to belong by force all of una want to be there by force wanna forget say not be fair reach there the matter be say I did there you did there no matter don't run he pay me ogun you kale kwa mi winere aga ime no mu yo to gwa oh say let's go there osu egbe ni wa vie ai mi anu aga imi anu bere ege ya tama we girl matter we not concern you, don't involve yourself, stay away. Imame ni we what me denu yo na gba pinu ye me o very last one we are we dey ma say you we but they talk to tell matter na ya to bi yan ha do le yan gbeju egbe zewa wa mo gun yen ki zo be o me matter wo ti e go matter yen ki ni wa e no they talk gun yan to bi yen gbe yen gu we ge unyi me no ma gba na yin u set se kianu ya do me ha no ya gbe na ye kiere is an insult to every womanhood. Desi go bo wa le bana no wo pa no wo o pa no bia na mo ha ro. There are many single men. If you want to follow maybe you want follow baby father, there are many single men, not be even the one we see they find life, the one we get something to offer, not the one we get something to offer. If you want fuck man and one will be say if you do he go get something to offer you, not be the one we go they offer, because you have responsibilities. You have responsibility where you carry. But I really feel pity for you, Sha. I really feel pity for you, Sha, because he pay me. He pay me. He pay me. Say now you they come and now your voice are the ear for inside this nonsense. Beat you, injure you. On top of the matter. Pay me. Pay me. Girl, you have. You have. Wait 3 weeks or you toast you. 3 weeks. Oh, where my friend? MC Naked Wire. MC Love Naked Wire. My one is my always zelele make bokeke. Mana if you say we become friends since 2014. Where I start Facebook. Now that guy take them my neck. I keep on telling him, you can't take my responsibility. You cannot. I'm just a young boy who need the life. You have nothing to offer me. I know say you senior me. We we become a friends. I may not go no one your boy, I may not ban your boy. 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks. Okay, what baby 1 month, no worry, care lie. No worry, care lie. That was too quick for you. It was too quick for you. Everywhere. Everywhere at all. Oh, now what work again? What more? Say let you where they talk. So not be whenever you carry for head. So now your matter sometimes una go they talk forget una self. Not be my matter. I not talk forget myself. I not talk forget myself. You remember you where they talk. I don't know who you be, but I want to let you know. So I not talk forget myself. I am been on this media and I stand for that justice, for truth, and I'm not going to change her. And anybody who not like her, now your opinion and your choice. I'm not going to change her. Even make Jaguda come, say, Elia where Ariel just say, Emikere, Okana with work bottle, as on and as an ayana. Me, I not say anything where people want to go talk tomorrow when me want here. You know, they. You know the cause ya ukpopo na ya gboja we ya gboja le. Okay, kakabot dame is ivie. Kakabot dame women no go egun atite ya but ujaji e ma ni pe nu woni e na gonna no gbe comment na o what we ba we no merciless. You don't smoke igbo. After you don't smoke, you can't dey drink wine. After you don't drink wine finish, you can't dey talk to you anyhow. No man, not be you start time. Nothing will never happen for life before. You begin to say, I hate my sister. I hate my sister. I don't finish you. Oh! Now they collect all those their small shitty party because they will never do what you are doing. They don't feel do what you they do. I pity you. I pity you. I'm not gonna say me this one give you sense because I know say you lose sense already. And I pray you pick it up somewhere wherever you forget and put. May whether I show you want to wear back your sense. May your leg carry you reach where you forget your sense. May you pick them up. If on your hand you want to pick up your sense, may God carry you where you go use your hand walk. May pick up your sense. Don't have me no me keke so na no ke amen wa. So lo ba no rebe sunu. You pay me well for you. While at the bottom do I go gbo. After say I want to defend myself or you fake no sena. Akwa ne ngene rebe mu. Mo we do ya go na say let's ole Morocco. Atasi. Atasi. La ya vie. Ya gwa me na maso wugi awu. E pastor era me dire pastor e di ma me no siwe na jena. Obere kori egbe no sense na ro wa type a platform here e mo bobo. But on e no siwe no dio say ye mio. Eni wi ese pavio me vio mo gwa vi no mo danu bia. Iye mio. E no serious wana me gwa pa we voice record. Ave my waga ave conference call wa we via conference call ya we mo ye fo record there. Aye fo robe record there. Ya likiladia. Ya likiladia. We wa ta mani no ra side ni mute the side. O wa ye fo record fo we wa we work because it was falling up. Me no I dey be. Vie go find life. Go find life. I pray may God help you. Wakio we. Inyo we gani ya we ya degwe na hu. Inyo gwe gani ya we ya totanya na hu. Ave iyo kito bidze. Unie donia kwa. Unie ku, unie meteme. Unie dan. Ami wana ma gboli gi dan, mi wana ma dwe ki dan. Ome ke no ma ve we mi se va gbun to bo ve won. Wa se ti swa swa ma ve ya ma gbon ye ki o ma. Wa ni swa ma kan ye swa wa kan ma ye e ma fa no wa ya ma de no wa ye. Wa me mo bu wa. Wa ka gbo bana we de se se le si ya de 500 euro nu e. Oh wa ass lickers. I would never lick it as to belong. Shame. What a generation. May God rescue your children from all those areas where you will be can even walk. No you will as a point of contact in the Lord. Now rescue money will bow. No rescue money will bow. No ya you pe work be. No ya you pe work be. No you call well. No ya you pe work be. If so lo ba no la wo de no de gbeta yu hu bi ya fo no yu hu no ke no ri fe na ya kara ya wo hu cause oke wa gbe nwi bi kare ni wa ya talo no ko wa gbe yu any no ka yu wi re e ma me ni asi ju gbe eje bi ma de na bi o na bi ya o we bi ya no fili ya kwa ni ya o vere ma li vi bi ka ma elele ye live life ya o je ji ya 20 boji ni obi eke o ma ye money 20 boye keri ya una ya 20 boye kere. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. Why a friend boy mo your can't say you see friend boy no work out me move on. Elevator we go keke na we no move on ma move on. Obeya mo small boy we camp no ke regbe move on na we move on. No ke move ke no George. O ma la wo da ma la ri. La wa ke akun we serious. Okay, I love every one of you. Thank you and thank you very much. Please don't forget say I still get YouTube channel. Now the same name, the Pressure Killer TV. Go press the subscription button. Me pity me. May I get subscribers. Thank you for the new followers. And thank you for the thumbs up. And thank you for sharing the video. For your negative comments, try me you learn from your mistake. For your positive comments, try for motivate. Thank you for motivating her and let her know where she goes wrong. Everybody learns from their mistake. I pray she learn from her home. I pray she learn from this one. I pray she learned from this one. I pray this one give her sense. Stay, even if you want to have a date, girl. Stay away from marriage. Even though they don't live together. As far as say the relationship is in it, stay away from it. There are many single men who have children who are looking for a wife. But when they say let's knock about you say no, you go give me man. But look at what just happened. You don't know who might help you in this life. You don't know who must help you. You don't know who go help you. You don't know who go help you. You don't know who go pity you tomorrow. Always humble yourself. Stop bragging. Stop ranting. Stop. It will not help you. I beg you. Ria tase. Lo bana la wo no be mi na. No be ya me nwa. No be ya me nwa. Magbe na ya no ya bio me ha. Ya gbe na yo ga na be ju ama bai. God have mercy. All right. Good night from my division. We bring to you again whenever I have a new case. This case was brought to my division and I had to showcase it. Suppose they don't carry and come at table. I don't go bring and come out. Now do well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. And thanks for commenting. One love.